So I wanted an easy way to customize my PS5 power lights to be blue when turned on. As you know, the PS5 lights are blue when it is booting up, white when it's turned on, and orange when it's on rest mode, same as the PS4. It was surprisingly easy to do, thanks to a company called FlamingToast. They sell vinyl wrap for PS5 lights and they are made from premium quality vinyl. They are easy to apply. They have a removable adhesive which allows for easy adjustments. I could not film myself while putting them on, but FlamingToast has a video on YouTube showcasing the process. The process takes about 3 minutes to accomplish. When I applied the vinyl to my PS5 and turned it on, I was pleasantly surprised at how natural and beautiful it looked. The blue color was not the exact blue color as the PS5 startup. It is a lighter, softer blue that matched up well with the LED lights on the back of my TV. The power light decal from FlamingToast comes in a variety of beautiful colors. Okay guys, I hope this helps those of you that want to customize your PS5 power lights. If you enjoyed the video, drop me a like or subscribe to the channel. And until next time guys, I'll catch you in the next one.